Meet Pacron Curb's Hexspenser E, an electronic, eco-friendly paper dispenser built to streamline your packaging process. The Hexspenser E is designed for precision and speed, delivering two types of protective paper for shipping: die-cut kraft and interleaf tissue. These paper options keep items secure in transit, helping reduce waste and maximize packing efficiency. Let's get started by assembling your Hexspenser E. Here's what you'll find in the box: 2 walls, 2 spindles, 6 clamps, bolts, Allen keys, pedal, and power cable. Now let's go step by step through the assembly. First, attach the 2 walls securely using the bolts and Allen keys provided. Next, install the first spindle and position the clamps to secure them in place. Now add a roll of Hexron paper onto the spindle. Next, install the second spindle. Place a roll of tissue paper onto the second spindle, positioning it in the center with clamps to keep it aligned. Carefully feed the Hexron paper into the inlet at the back of the machine and the tissue paper in the front. Caution: watch your fingers. Never press the directional arrows while your fingers are near the inlet to avoid injury. Plug in the power cord and the pedal and switch the machine on. Now you're ready to begin. With the Hexspenser E assembled, let's walk through its controls and modes. Asterisk is the selector. Use the up and down arrows to adjust values. Directional arrows. These arrows move the paper forward and reverse. Start button. Press to trigger paper dispensing, or use the pedal as an alternative. The Hexspenser E comes with 3 distinct operating modes to suit your packaging needs, designed by Pacron's expert product development team. Number 1, manual mode. In manual mode, you can adjust the speed, with the paper dispensing continuously as long as you hold down the trigger button or press the pedal. The speed can reach up to 9 feet every 10 seconds, or 54 feet per minute. Number 2, automatic mode. Switch to automatic mode to set the exact timer length for paper dispensing. Once activated, the Hexspenser E will dispense paper to your desired specifications, which you can control either by hand or by using the pedal. Number 3, focus mode. In focus mode, the Hexspenser E automatically repeats the dispensing cycle based on the number of repeats you set. Each time the sensor detects your hand, it dispenses paper, saving you time and effort, making your process more efficient and ultimately reducing costs. Let's look at the Hexspenser E's innovative paper. The die-cut kraft paper starts flat. When it passes through the machine, it's cut with thousands of tiny slits, expanding its length by 1.68 times and increasing its loft by over 37 times. Interleaf tissue paper can be layered to hold your paper's volume, creating a secure and flexible wrap for your items. This unique paper design locks together when packed, so you won't need tape, cutting down on both waste and wrapping time. You can wrap multiple products in one bundle, streamlining your packing process. The Hexspenser E provides a sustainable, rapid solution for protective packaging needs. Whether you're packing fragile or bulky items, the Hexspenser E makes it easy, efficient, and environmentally responsible. Ready to transform your packaging process? With the Hexspenser E, you get a better way to pack. Contact Pacron today and order your Hexspenser E and Hexron paper supplies and start packing better, smarter, and greener.